The topic goes like this: the world is witnessing civil unrest in Ukraine, North Korea, South Korea, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan. What do you think is going to be the major fallout of this? A. Will it lead to Third World War? B. Will it lead to disintegration of the Arabic countries? C. Will it intensify the struggle for energy security by Western countries? I would repeat my topic. The world is witnessing civil unrest in Ukraine, North Korea, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Israel, etc. What do you think is going to be the major outcome of all this? A. Will it lead to Third World War? B. Will it lead to disintegration of Arabic countries? C. Will it intensify the struggle for energy security by Western countries? Please start.
Gentlemen, I would like to state my point that this type of scenarios often lead to war scenarios. As we saw in Ukraine and Russia, the civil unrest on the eastern Ukraine that was supported by Russians later it resulted into invasion of Ukraine by the Russian forces. And this also led on to a separation of the two fronts, east and west.
Here I agree with chess
this
number 13,
is going to
and I
lead
would
on
like
to
to
a
add on
global
here
war scenario
that
and may lead on to World War
if we see the
III.
history, then during the World War First and World War Second, the whole globe was divided into several groups. And if we see the present scenario, then we can see that at present as well, there are various countries who are grouping between themselves. Like Russia is grouping up with China. It is coming close to China, as well as NATO, which is a group of 30 countries. So it is as supervised by the USA, is also growing on a very large scale and supporting Ukrainian wars.
Well said by chess number 13 and 12, but I have different opinion. I believe that due to public unrest, as we can see the example in Pakistan, the public of Pakistan is trying to divide the Pakistan into different nations. That is, they want the nation to be divided into 3 different parts, and the people of these different parts have different opinions. And the public unrest is also leading to violence in many such areas.
Very well said by my chess number 14. I would like to state an example over here. Like if we see that Israel attacked Hamas, in this due to the Islamic countries, the countries like Yemen started bombing the ships that used to come to their countries, nearby countries. It shows that the bonding between the countries is increasing because of this war, and this can definitely lead to Third World War.
I agree with chess number 8 because the war started in little groups. That it is started with the Ukraine and Russia war, and thereafter it shifted Israel and Hamas war. If you seen in last Second World War, that started in Germany and Japan, and also it's come with America. So that's why it's indicating at your Third World War. So after that, the result of the overall in the world, it is a harmful for the every nations.
Very well said by chess number 1. I would like to further enhance this point that as we see in the Middle East, they are separating themselves from the United States, especially the oil supplying nations. They are de-dollarizing their economy. They are reducing the intake of dollars for their oil products, and they are moving towards other sources of payments. So yes, this is leading on to a formation of 2 fronts, the East and the West, and this conflict between Ukraine and Russia is the pivot point where this is standing.
I agree with chess number 13, and I would also like to add on here that if we see the Indo-Pacific region, then we can see that the influence of China is also increasing day by day in the Indo-Pacific region, and China is coming close to our neighboring countries. They are just trapping it in their debt trap, and it will also increase. It will be also leading to the World War III in certain regions.
I very much agree with the chess number 12. I would like to put my point that China and America are 2 powerful countries. In today's scenario, we can see that, and each of them are competing with each other for the economic rise. They want their country to be uppermost in the economy of the world, and because of that, they try to motivate other countries to go and create the war-like situation, and they are dividing themselves into another group.
Gentlemen,
Some
I
are,
want to
some
add a
are
point
joining
over here,
America
as
and
we
some
can
are
see
joining
that-
China. So we can say that it is creating the situation of World War III.
Okay, gentlemen, we can see that recently when Israel attacked Rafah, many countries started coming together with for the protest of that particular incident. Because of this, there was starting of boycotting of products of Israel. This has led to situation of Third World War because countries are now uniting towards a particular nation for a particular with a particular mindset. And I think that because of this situation can definitely eventually lead to Third World War.
I would like to add that China want to be the superpower. They are spending money to the different countries like Sri Lanka and Pakistan to attract themselves towards them, so that if there is war-like situation in the future, so these countries can support them. So we can easily see that the influence is being created by different countries. This indicate that in future there can be the war-like situation.
I would also
Gentlemen,
like
I
to
would
add
like to add
that
some
all
more
over the
points.
world, major superpowers are realizing this scenario and know that a war-like situation may arise soon. They have increased their military exercises, have increased their budgets on research and development in weapons industry, and are producing mass weapons. So hence, I would say that these nations like USA and the European Union, they are realizing that a situation like war is arising in their midst and they need to counter it. So yes, they are getting prepared for it. The general recruitment drive being held around the nation has enlisted nearly 18% of population recently into the armed forces. And this
I
shows
would like
that
to
the world
put
is
my
preparing
point
itself for a war.
That the most of the wars start because of the recruitments. The country try to recruit, the country try to
Gentlemen,
Gentlemen,
we
I would
also
like
used
to
to
some more points. If you've seen in scenario, every countries have authorized to take our opinion and then put overall in the world. But their sovereignty is required to save to all of in the world. If you see in Hamas, in Israel, he directly attacked with Rafah. That's the comments of the US is that he has he was not happy with Israel. But its scenario is here, the India is the step out from there. So if every country wants to fight to each and everything everywhere, so it will be chances to indicate to third world war.
Gentlemen, it also used to seem that
Gentlemen,
earlier.
I would like to say my opinion. Starting from after Second World War, the Russia and America, there are two front. But right now, China is to get opportunity in this scenario to make a superpower and lead to America. So this is another reason to right now the world is moving from Third World War.
I
very
agree
much
with chess
agree
number
with chess
six,
number
and
6. I would like to
add
put my
his
point that
if
different
we see
countries
the
try
history,
to
then
occupy the
America has
land of
always
the
been
other
the
countries.
superpower
Like
in
we
the
can see
whole
the
globe.
scenario of
And it has
China,
always
COK,
shown its
and
impact.
also the
So at
Pakistan
present time,
occupying the
the
Kashmir.
other major countries like
and we
Russia
can
and
refer
China, they are coming
our
together
past in World
to
War
counter
II. Again, the
USA.
same
So we
situation
can
has
see that
happened that
America
different
I would like
countries
to
try
give
to
an
occupy the
example for
land
my
of different countries, and
example
they
of
are
Germany
created
during
the
Second
World War
World War.
III. The same scenario can be
Germany's
seen
main
that
cause behind
UK
going to
and
war with the whole
UK
world was
people,
lack of
the
resources
Chinese
and
and
unequal
Pakistan are
treatment, unfair
occupying our
treatment
country.
during the Treaty
So
of
there
Vienna.
can be
Hitler proliferated this cause and turned Germany into a mass army and started invading various nations around its borders. We see that happening with Russia. Russia believes that it was wronged during the Cold War. The distribution of USSR into separate states was wrong, and it wants to regain those territories. Putin recognizes these territories as Russian inlands and wants these territories back. Whereas the US and other European allies, they want that situation to stay as it is right now. They don't want Russia to reoccupy these territories. So hence, there is this standoff between the East and the West, which has formed at a pivot point in Ukraine, and they are preparing
well
for
said by my friend.
war at large scale.
Very well said by my friend. I want to state one fact over there. Here is that after the Second World War, it was believed that there can't be situation like Third World War. But when we see the example of Russia and Ukraine, when there was mass killing and mass destruction over there, also when Israel attacked Hamas, there was mass destruction and killing again. So we can see that possibility of Third World War cannot be denied. Moreover, the coming of NATO for support of Israel and support of Turkey to Pakistan is an example that there is polarization happening in the world, and if this polarization happens, definitely it can lead to the war-like situation, and definitely
But
third world war can
gentlemen,
come.
I agree.
Yeah,
Yeah,
with
yeah,
chess
yeah.
number 8,
If you
and
see
I
our
would like to
China
add on
China
that
China is
China is
what we are
not lead to world war, and it would
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।